I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back if you are not new, and welcome if you are new. Today's video, as y'all can tell by the previous clip, it is a review video from Read Your Heart Jewelry. So they reached out to me, and as you saw, I selected a cute little ring, and we're gonna get into more details about that ring. But before we do, I just want to welcome you all back. I know it's been a minute since I posted videos, and of course, like I told you before, I am back and I am trying to get back into the groove of getting these videos out to you all. So I do appreciate Read Your Heart for reaching out to me so I can get jump started on doing that. But yeah, before we get into more about the piece that I was sent over, I want to talk more about them. So Read Your Heart, they don't do cubic zirconia or diamonds with their jewelry. They do what is called, I hope I'm pronouncing this right though, moissanite. I'm going to put it across the screen here. It's spelled M-O-I-S-S-A-N-I-T-E. And that is the type of stone that they use. It is mining free, as well as it's less expensive. So if you're looking for cute little jewelry pieces, engagement rings, you name it, bracelets, they have cute little gift ideas as well if you're looking for like birthdays. I wish I would have had this video up before Mother's Day, because it could have been a great Mother's Day gift for a loved one in your family. So yeah, I'm gonna also put a screenshot up of different jewelries that they have here on their website, as well as speaking more about the type of jewel that they use. Is very durable. It has the hardest percentage of 9.25, and it is sustainable up to a daily use aware, meaning if you're like me, you forget to take off some jewelry when you're washing dishes or doing anything in water or just your daily work. Is very, very durable, as well as again, the value of it is less expensive per carat, and the benefits of it is great. So most jewelry, as we know, whether it's a ruby or a diamond, it comes from mines. Well, this jewelry here, it came from a asteroid that back in, I want to say it was 1893, and the name came from the gentleman who discovered it, and he took a piece of it and he started doing research in his lab, and he came up with that jewelry piece, and he realized how close it is to a diamond, and how same way durability, you know how you could use a diamond, you know, people do examples with diamonds, they can cut through and all of that. That's how strong this diamond piece is as well. So yeah, if you're looking for something less on the less expensive side, it won't change like the bands around their rings, bracelets, earrings, all of that won't affect your ears. So it's just like how some companies say they're nickel free. Is definitely nickel free. And I'm a type of person who immediately, if I put on like jewelry for certain jewelries for certain places, like I could wear Shein jewelry long as I press on the right one that says nickel free, because if I don't, like how I just grab something from, let's say, Walmart, immediately when I put it on, my hand itches or my ear starts to itch and ache. That's how you know that they're not using nickel free, especially when you are sensitive to certain things. Like I have very, very, very sensitive skin. Like if I don't frequently wash my hands from touching anything from my phone to whatever, and I forget and I do like this to my face or something, I immediately start to break out. And I just love that the fact that this company here is just like doing things to help those who are looking for great gifts, and for those who are looking for something that is just going to last long and look amazing. That is great. But yeah, I know I'm gonna stop rambling with you all because you want to see it besides the clip that I showed you. So when they sent it to me, it was sent like this here. And of course it was in a secure package, double secure, so it had its own little package around it, as well as in a durable double bubble wrap type of packaging as well. And I thought that was great. And then they also sent me a few little goodies here in this bag. So of course we have, like, if I wanted to gift this someone, they gave me a little bag for it, and it has their logo on it. And that is their website too. And I'm going to link everything down below. All of their social media handles, the direct link to their website, as well as the link to the ring that I have myself. And also links to different other jewelry. So if you're in the market looking for engagement rings, I'm gonna leave that link down below, as well as if you're looking for like cute gift ideas for a special person in your life, someone like graduation is going on still, you can click on that link too. And also to my followers, they are giving me a 15% off discount code for you all, and that code will be Sharice15, and I'm gonna put it across the screen, as well as it will be down in my description box too. But moving forward, what was in the bag, they gave me a silk duster here for cleaning it off. And I love these little dusters. Like when you get glasses, you get these things too. So they are, if you know, these work amazing. Also, they gave me a little maintenance card here as well. And on the maintenance card, just like I told you, how it was discovered, it was from an asteroid that came down to Earth back in 1893. So it gives you a little backstory on it. And this is one of the rings that they have. And it also tells you different things to avoid as well. And it shows you here how they're making this ring here. And if you want to pause and read that, you can. But yeah, I think it's great that they put their story on how they came about making this ring. And also certain rings were inspired by this wonderful lady named Alyssa, and she has her own jewelry line too. So yeah, y'all check them out. And these are their handles too as well. But of course, I'm gonna link everything down below for you all. And they gave me a little certificate too for the ring. I think that is so neat and so cool. Look at that. And on the back of this here, it also shows where their distributions are and all. Y'all see. Just check their website out. But yeah, I love this. This is how, when you send out jewelry to people, this is how you should send it out. Send out everything, the authentication, all of that. But yeah, let's get back into this ring, y'all. Look at the box. It is so cute. And the color of it, I love it. It reminds me of the color like Tiffany blue. And I haven't, no, we're not gonna get in that. I just say, has anyone else seen anything about Tiffany's? I haven't heard anything more about, but this is how it came in. And it's also inside this little baggie here. And the way they shipped it, that's how you secure jewelry. Like, it was perfectly secured. And I love how they had it tucked away at the top like that. So if somebody were to just pop it open, not pay attention, they'll think it's an empty box. Let's get it out again. And look at, oh, I done dropped it, y'all. Hold on. I done dropped it. Okay. I got it. And I'm not taking it out. But look at it. It is so freaking cute. And it has the diamonds going around the band, except for in the back part of it. And the size ring I got is a 7.5. I probably should have gotten an 8 because it fit just perfectly. If you're anything like me, sometimes my fingers swell up. And it fits on both ring fingers. So this is my right hand. And this is my left hand. And it fits more, a little better and a little looser, easy pulling off wise on my left hand than to do my right. But I think that is so cute and beautiful. And look at the diamond in it. That is so freaking cute, y'all. But yeah, I think this is, I'm so glad that they reached out to me. I love cute little, I would consider this, even though it probably looks more like it is an engagement ring. But if you like me, you like to just dress up anyway, when you go out, and certain jewelry pieces just go together, I would consider this, for me personally, a little cute little costume ring. But yeah, you can definitely wear this how you want to. You don't have to wear it on your ring finger. If it fit on your middle finger, your index finger, or whatever, wear it however you choose. Left hand, right hand, it's all up to you. But I think that is so freaking gorgeous. Just look at it. And the camera is not doing it any justice, y'all. You have to really see it in person. Like, so pretty. And it feels amazing. But yeah, that's all I have for y'all in today's video. Be on the lookout for my other upcoming videos as well. If y'all know, today is Tuesday, if I didn't say it already. So, you know, Tuesdays are my days off, and that is the days that I try to get in my little filming here and there, to get ahead so I can be on top. That's how I used to do it, and I'm getting right back in the role of that. I'm not gonna say trying to. I am getting back in the groove of that so we can get these videos out for y'all. But yeah, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this little review for ReadYourHeart Jewelry. Read Your Heart Jewelry. And yeah, check them out, y'all. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to, but just check them out if you're in the market looking for some cute little jewelry pieces. What else? Like I said, if graduation's still going on, I think June is normally like the last month for graduations for like colleges and stuff like that, or like if you're up north, kids about to get ready to get out of school up that way. And you have like little teenagers who are just graduating, female or male. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they do have like little male bracelets. They have male rings too, of course. It could be signified as like a little promise rings that you promise to always be there. You know, they're going off to college and you send them off into this crazy world to be adults and be great. Those rings could be like promise rings for whenever, you know, we always say you can always call mom and dad or come back home. That can like seal the deal. Like, every time you look down at your hand, just know if you need to come back, come on back. But yeah, think of it like that. That's how I would think of it, as me saying, this is my little token to you, and to remind you that I'm always here. So if you have those teenagers who are finally graduating out of high school and taking that next step into adulthood, I can't talk right now, but those would be great gifts as well. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, y'all, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.